Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix a Facebook business page not showing up in search. Start by opening facebook.com and signing in to the account that manages your business page. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture to open the account menu. From there, switch into your business page so you're managing the page, not your personal profile. If you manage multiple pages, take a second to select the correct one so the settings you change apply to the right place. With the page open, click the profile picture at the top again to bring up the menu. Choose Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can control how people discover and interact with your page. In the left-hand menu, open the section called How People Can Find and Contact You. Here, carefully review the discovery options. Make sure the settings that allow people to look you up and find your page are turned on. If you see options related to being discoverable by contact information or appearing in search within Facebook, enable them. Many of these switches save automatically, but if you see a Save button, click it before you navigate away. Taking a moment to read each description will help you understand what visibility each option provides. Next, go to Followers and Public Content. This area controls who can follow your public updates and how your content is surfaced. Set following to public so anyone can follow your page, and confirm that public interactions are allowed in a way that aligns with your moderation preferences. Keeping your page open to followers increases the chances it appears in search results and recommendations. Within followers and public content, open country restrictions. If any countries are listed, your page may be hidden from people outside those locations. Clear any restrictions you don't intend to have so your page can be visible globally. If a Save option appears, confirm your changes. While you're here, scan for any other limitations that could reduce discoverability, and remove them if they aren't intentional. After updating these settings, allow a little time for changes to take effect. Try searching for your business name on Facebook from a different account or a private browser window. If you still don't see it, revisit the same settings to confirm everything remains enabled, and ensure you are editing the correct page. Keeping your page active with recent public posts and complete details can also help it surface more reliably. That's it. You've adjusted the key visibility and restriction settings that commonly prevent a Facebook business page from appearing in search.